2017 Ford Edge outer door handles. Tools you'll need: a flashlight, a small flat blade screwdriver if my phone would focus, and a T27 Torx screwdriver. Once you pop this grommet off, you can use the flashlight to find the screw that's on the inside there. And you're going to want to pull out completely and keep pressure on the handle while you unscrew, and then the handle should just pop out. So I'm just going to pull out on the handle completely while I unscrew on that T27, keeping pressure on the handle while I'm unscrewing. And the handle pops out. That's all it is. The handle just pops out. And then to get the cap out, you just keep unscrewing that screw. All I'm doing is unscrewing. And it comes out. And then on the inside of the door, you reach up here. You gotta reach all the way up there. There's the plug for the handle. Disconnect the plug, and the door handle comes out. There it is. And to put it back in, reinsert there, push on the handle until it doesn't go in any further. There, it won't go in any further. Grab your cap, insert your cap. You can plug it back in. I'm not going to because I'm still disassembling this door. Put the cap back in, put the handle in, into the hole. All I'm doing, just screwing it in. And you can see the handle start to move. And the handle's back in. Screw it till it's tight. And there you go.